I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the silicone ear cushion and exposing the ear cup rim. Pry carefully with a plastic pick to avoid scuffs. Once the cup edge lifts, remove the visible screws and set them aside in a labeled tray so you keep track. You should now see the internal cover plate. Lift it slowly, watching for a ribbon cable. If you encounter resistance, stop and recheck for hidden screws so you avoid breaking plastic clips. You will now expose the battery and see a small 2-pin connector that plugs into the main board. Inspect polarity and orientation before removing it. Once you unplug or desolder the connector, lift the old battery from its adhesive pad and clean residue with isopropyl. Place the replacement in the same orientation, press into position with new foam tape, and reconnect the plug. Making sure the connector clicks, you reattach the internal cover and reinstall screws in the reverse order you removed them, but stop before snapping the ear cup fully so you can test. Once partially assembled, charge for 10 to 15 minutes and power on. Pair with your device and play audio to verify function and battery reporting. If the headset fails to power, make sure the 2-pin connector is seated. Inspect solder joints for cold joints, and if needed, check nearby protection circuitry for visible damage before final assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.